Google Sheets has a very handy way to use checkboxes to make it more visually evident if a task is completed. So if you go up to Insert, Checkbox, when you click on it or press the spacebar, it toggles its selection. We can also copy and paste that down, and you can also toggle multiple checkboxes at once. We can actually have a checkbox that is checked or not checked based on other cells. So if we wanted to see if all of the checkboxes on this tab have been completed, we can write an AND function, and we'll select C5 to C, a half open range. And right now it says false here, and that's because all of these are unchecked. If we were to check all of these, it would change to true. We can insert a checkbox there, and now if we uncheck any of these, the box up here gets unchecked. We can take it one step further and add conditional formatting to that cell as well. So format, conditional formatting, we can use a custom formula and do equals C2. And that's because the formula in this cell results in either a true or a false, and so if it results in a true, this cell is going to turn green, and then we can add another conditional formatting rule to say equals not C2, so not true would be false, and we can change that to red. And now when we check the box, everything is complete on this tab, and when we uncheck it, we get an empty checkbox to notify us that something is not complete here. Thanks for watching.